Hello guys, today I just installed a new hard drive SSD and I want to transfer all my games to that drive, but since it is a new drive, if you want to transfer all your files, and you'll notice that your new drive is nowhere to be found. So first you must go to your settings, then go to downloads, Steam library, and add library folder, and select folder, go to the drive. For instance, this is my this is the drive that I want to put all my Steam games, and select. There you go, and close. Okay, now I can transfer. I need to restart my Steam. Just have to wait for a few seconds, then connecting. There you go. Now I can transfer my games to that specific drive. Click the game you want to transfer, then click properties, local files, go to local files, then move install folder. Now you can see the drive you just added. Just select it, then move folder. There you go. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and pardon my English if it's not that clear. Thank you very much.